Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you Samsung M01 how you can bypass the FRP. So this step is the old step. As you see, you can't bypass on this method. So I'm going to show you the new step that you can bypass. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you have any question on my channel. So what you have to do is you have to hard reset your phone from recovery options, then click on add Wi-Fi, connect to your Wi-Fi network. The second step what we have to do is after we connect to our Wi-Fi, we will gonna get back to home screen. Let me show you on the screen. Wait, let me show you how this phone was locked with FRP or Google lock accounts. So I'm gonna click it on the next option. So the phone is checking the update. So every phone check this step is before going to the next step. Click on don't copy. Just a second, wait. So as you see, this phone is locked with forgotten pin or Google account. So how we can bypass it, I'm gonna show you. Please don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and if you have any question you can ask me direct through my Telegram, WhatsApp, and through my email addresses. Thank you so much. So go back to home, double tap on the screen 3 times or 4 times until it go to the next step. As you see, done. Okay, it's pretty done now. So get back on the Wi-Fi list, then see all available Wi-Fi's, then add network. As you see on the top of the password writing name option, you see the scanning option. So click on the gallery option. As you see on the right menu, click on Google Go or anything you like. So the next step is go to permission, then at the top of this app you will see the search option. This search option is a Google search option that will search for you anything, a file, Galaxy Store or anything. So click Chrome. So open the browser. So please follow all steps. It is pretty easy way, okay, pretty simple. Follow step by steps. Thank you so much for subscribing. I know that someone is subscribing, I can see it now. And thank you for liking and commenting on these videos. Have a blessed and Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and Happy New Year. So write FRP file, then bypass at the top of the first, click on it,